Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Look for. Look for. Meaning search for. Example. Are you looking for your keys? Yes, I can't find them. Look after. Look after. Meaning take care of. Example. Will you look after my dogs? Of course, I will take care of him. Call off. Call off. Meaning cancel. Example. Did they call off the meeting? Yes, they cancel it due to bad weather. Break up. Break up. Meaning separate. Example. Did Sarah and Jack break up? Yes, they separated last month. Turn on. Turn on. Meaning switch on. Example. Can you turn on the lights? Sure, I will switch them on. Take off. Take off. Meaning remove. Example. Should I take off my shoes? Yes, please remove them before entering. Get up. Get up. Meaning rise. Example. What time do you usually get up? I rise at 6 a.m. Drop off. Drop off. Meaning deliver. Example. Will you drop off the parcel? Yes, I will deliver the pizza parcel. Turn down. Turn down. Meaning reject. Example. Did you turn down your job application? Yes, they rejected it. Turn in. Turn in. Meaning submit. Example. Did you turn in your assignment? Yes, I submitted them. Hold on. Hold on. Meaning wait. Example. Can you hold on for a moment? Sure, I will wait. Look out. Look out. Meaning be cautious. Example. Should I look out for traffic? Yes, be cautious when crossing. Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.